Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. This week I'm going to show you, since I get a lot of questions, people asking me exactly what would I be doing in the Ride Like a Pro course. Well, we're going to show you 8 of 10 of the exercises. In fact, if you watch my Ride Like a Pro video, which I highly recommend, you'll see all the exercises. But we'll give you an idea of what you'll be doing, starting with the slow cone weave. Swinging and swaying. In the friction zone, head and eyes up. Got to get that swinging motion down. Right into a 30-foot U-turn to start with. Then you go through the offset cone weave. A series of tight left turns and right turns. Speed through here should be 10 to 12 miles per hour. From here we go to the intersection or iron cross. Head and eyes extremely important. Got to be in the friction zone. A little bit of pressure on the rear brake. Then we head for the Snowman. The Snowman is a series of 3 circles, starting at 30 feet to the left, 26 feet to the right, 24 feet to the left. "26 feet to the right." Ending with 24 feet to the left. In about 4 hours, you become almost an expert at these courses. Till next week.